Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rulers and guides on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I am in the Wix website editor. Now what we can do is we first need to zoom in to 100%. Once you have done that, just click on the tools right here. So let's click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see this option for rulers. As you can see, once we have added in rulers, we'll be able to see this ones right here, which have the measurement for our website. So once you have clicked on grid lines, we'll also be able to see this sort of grid lines right here, this dashes right here. So when you turn it up, it will disappear, and when you turn it on, it will appear just like this. So turning on these two things right here will help you edit your site more in a more proportionally option. So for example, when you try to change up things, you will be able to put it on the actual dimensions that you want it to put. For example, you want to put it at x230, can just move this until it reached the x230 mark right here on our ruler, just like that. So that's all process. I hope this video helped you to add rulers and guides on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.